So what you are trying to say?
So is this means nested this one, nested lab
Yeah,
or like
nested lab. Yeah.
real? Uh,
So this is the lab which I'm using for the NSX. Okay, I'm going to use the same lab for this
Same.
VROps also. Okay.
Okay.
This is a complete deployment which is running with vSAN. Okay. So
Um,
here let's deploy the VROps from the scratch, and then we'll explore the activities one by one. Okay. So activities we are going to discuss based on the activities, not on the menu based. Okay. So from the
mm,
activity perspective, like what are all the activities we'll be performing and the real-time production support. Based on that, I'll be exploring activities one by one. Okay.
okay.
So menu by menu, if go means like there are some dependencies will be there that cannot be met while explaining the menus. Okay. So that
Mm,
is the reason we need to explore based on the activities which you will perform in the production support. So let's start with the deployment of our recent VROps. So I already downloaded this
mm,
one. I'm having this vRelays operations 8.18.13. Okay, once this is
yeah.
installed, I'll show you how to update it to 8.18.5. 8.18.5 is the version which you're looking for, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now let's start with the deployment. Okay, before you start with the deployment, the
Mm,
prerequisites which needs to be completed are DNS entry. You need to collect the NTP server IP address. Okay,
okay.
so here from this DNS perspective, let's verify whether I have created the DNS entries or not. Go to tools, DNS,
Yeah.
and then verify. Okay, so here check for that entries. I already created some
Aria.
VR ops or Aria ops. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. Aria ops
Aria.
P01. This is for
Yeah.
1.91. Let me fill it out with the IP address. 91 and 92. Okay. So this is the IP address which we are going to use for our Aria operations and Aria
Mm,
ops P01. And for replica, I'm using Aria ops R01. Okay. These are the
awesome.
two
Yeah.
Aria operations VM which we are going to deploy right now. So let's start with the first deployment. So
1.91.
192.168.1.91 Aria ops P01. Okay. So later
Yeah.
on we can refer that one. Okay. So here I'm going to give the same name
Mm.
Aria ops
Ops
P0.
P0, P01.
Okay. So give next. So ESXi you can select host 3. Click next. Okay, so this is just reviving this information about this
Mm,
OVA template. Okay,
yeah.
nothing to do with the configuration. Click next. License agreement. As always, we'll just scroll down and then we'll accept. We never read this and all, right? Click
Mm,
next. Then configuration. For
mm.
lab, it is small is okay for us. Okay, because
For yeah.
use this configuration for environments between 350 and 5000 VMs. Objects 350
5,000.
and 5000 VMs.
Mm.
The deployment will require 4 CPU and for this one also we need 16 GB RAM. So let's start with the small, okay?
Exchange. Yeah.
And then so we have medium, large, witness, extra small, extra large, and all is there.
Mm.
So we'll start with the small for our requirement. If you go to
Yes.
medium, you can find like the count get increased
Yeah.
15,000 VMs. Large
Yes.
20,000 VMs. Extra large, like 350 VMs, and then I think it's some unlimited, it seems like. Oh, this is extra small. Oh, below small.
Extra small. Ah, extra small. Okay,
Okay.
extra large.
Okay, this is extra large. So 45,000 VMs max is
5,000 VMs.
supported. Okay. And witness is there. Okay.
Yeah.
So see, there are two type of cluster options available in our ARIA operations.
Mm.
One is high availability, another one is continuous availability. For continuous availability section, we need a witness. Okay. We need a
Ah,
witness node. Okay. So at that point of time, you'll be selecting this option. So right now I'm selecting small. Okay. And we are
small.
going to
Mm.
enable this high availability cluster option over here. That's what initially I planned. Okay. I'm
Mm.
going to give next, then select the data store. Okay, we have a vSAN data store, and then click next. And the port group, I'm going to use the vCenter port group. For vCenter, I'm using this port group called ESX. Okay, management ESX. Okay,
Okay.
then yes, click next. Time zone setting, I'm in India, so I'm going to select
Mm.
Asia, Kolkata.
Yeah. Kolkata.
Asia, Kolkata. Where is that Asia? MK, right?
Sure. Okay. Okay.
KOL, Kolkata, it's there.
Mm.
Okay.
Kolkata.
So,
So domain name.
so the domain name of the VM, leave blank if DHCP is desired. So domain name of this VM means like, what is the domain name of the VM? It's
This one.
Aria Ops
PC.
hyphen P01,
Aria.
right?
Yes.
Aria Ops hyphen P01. Then domain search path is SMS TechDesk.com.
DNS.
Okay. Okay. Then IP address, I'm going to use static.
Static.
In that case, I'm
Static.
going to give IP version 4, 192,
One dot 91.
168.1.91, right?
Mm.
Gateway 192.168.1.2. This is what I'm using in my lab.
Ah,
Netmask, as usual,
class.
255.255.255.0.
0.
IP version 6, you can completely ignore this one. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can fully qualified domain name,
Not SMS tech.
smstechdesk.com. Okay. Okay. So give next. So this is the input which you are giving for my
Mm.
first VM deployment of our ARIA operations. So click finish. Once we click finish, it is going to start import the OVF package, and VM will get created, ARIA ops P01.
Yeah,
So this deployment will take some time. Let's wait.